Hello everybody, welcome back to Mind Your Money. I am going to open up some Happy Mail, stuff some coins pretty much in this video. So I'm counting all of the coins because we have saved a whole lot and this jar is full to the brim. So let's get started. Hey Legacy Builders, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so I have some Happy Mail and I also wanted to stuff these coins because I need to count how much I have. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the Happy Mail and then just chit chat with you guys. I wanted to do this live, but I thought the live might be a little bit long and messy, but I definitely want to interact with you guys. So this may be a premiere, and if you are here watching, please give me a thumbs up, okay? I really appreciate it. I got from my P.O. box about 2 days before I'm recording this video, and it came from Kathy at Kathy's Cash and Coin. I think I can show it because it's her P.O. box and it's my P.O. box, which is fine. And I love this sticker, You Inspire Me. I use this actually from the same sticker book, so that is so amazing. I'm just so grateful for this community. Okay, her card says Easter Blessings. This is so pretty. I love this cross with the, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. I don't know if the camera is picking up how really beautiful this card is. Oh, she sent me another $2 bill. Thank you, Kathy. May you be blessed by the beauty of God's love this Easter. Oh gosh, this is a beautiful card. Thank you so much. And I got another $2, so I'm gonna add that to my stash. I'm gonna put the card, let's see, let me just put this to the side. We're gonna start the cash counting. So I'm gonna sit down. Thankfully, I was able to get these wrappers from a local bank, because I know some banks, when you go and you ask, they say, are you a member, if it's a union or like a credit union, or do you have an account here? And if not, you can't get them. But I went into a Chase, and then she didn't even ask me. She went and she found some wrappers for me, which I'm grateful for. So I don't have a lot of quarters, but I'm going to go ahead and play some music while I empty this out. $1 piece. Oops, I have a $1 piece. That is so cool. All right. I found a 2022 quarter, you guys. Wow. Look at that. Oh. This is a Brazil 10-cent piece, 1995. Not a nickel. Canada, 10 cents. Look at that.
Mommy, why do you have so many coins?
Because I saved them so we can, you know, save a little money. Saving money is good.
But I just wanted to see how we rock.
Got another one. Thought it was a US penny, but it's Canadian. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. It's another Canadian coin. 1 cent Canada. 1986. Ooh. Wow. So now for the big count. So I separated the quarters in dollars, and we need at least 10 quarters per, what is this called again? What is this called? We need 10 quarters per wrapper, right? Wrapper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's one wrapper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 2 wrappers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we don't have quite enough to fill the last one. This is pretty good for just like weekly, and we don't use a lot of cash, you guys. Most of what we spend is using a credit card, or a debit card if we need to. Now for pennies, we have, this is 50 cents. No, this is 10 cents, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we'll take this 10 cents away, 10 cents in pennies. Where's my calculator? Get this ready to go. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 50 cents. So 50 and 50 cents, that's $1, and then I have $1.50. So we don't have enough to roll the nickels yet. Okay. Now for dimes, this is $1. So
stop rolling that toy.
Gosh, why am I like not sure about myself right now? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. So we have $1, and we need $5 in dimes. So in order to wrap them. So $1, $2, $3, $4. I almost cut this part out because I was moving slowly, but it gets better. It gets better. $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. Oh my gosh, we missed it. Did I really? Wait a second. Let me see. Hold on. That's not cool. So 1, 2. Yeah, I have to be very careful. I know, because I don't want to mess up the coins. I've been doing this for a little while. So I'm happy about it, but I'm nervous about making my video because I don't know if it's gonna come out good or not. Okay, so that's $2. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. So that's $3. So I'm gonna move these out of the way. Okay, that's 40 cents. So now we're gonna count how much we have. We have $20 in quarters here. Then we have 50 cents in pennies, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, plus 50. And then we have $4 in dimes here. Then we have $5 in dimes there. Okay. And then we have another $1 in quarters. $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7. Okay. And then we have these nickels here that should be 50 cents. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50. We have a second stack and a third stack. So that's 75 cents. 50. No, 50 plus 50. Plus 50 plus 50. And that's $39 so far. And then we have some pennies here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 cents in pennies. $39.16. All right. So this jar right here can hold as much as about $40 in it. That's not too bad. And we're going to start again, obviously, because some of these coins won't fit in the wrappers. So oh, I forgot these. Okay, hold on. We have to add some more because I have 2 more quarters. That would have been 9 because we had 7. So
Mommy, how
$2. So it's $41.16. And then we have this dollar piece. Oh, y'all, we have a dollar piece. $42.16. And this is a Canadian penny. We're going to put that to the side. We saved $42.16. All right. Oops. Uh-oh. I took away the nickels. All right. I was moving too fast. Okay, let's do the quarters now. Let's just roll these. And we still have some coins left because it wasn't enough to fill these wrappers. Okay, so I bought these stickers from Michael's. We had a Michael's run. I bought these butterflies. They're so pretty.
So
clearly, because they're so pretty.
But I want to take them.
So I'm going to use these. They're very, almost 3D like. So I can't wait to use these. This was in the dollar section. You know how they get you? They put things for a lower price as you're checking out just so you can spend more money. So I bought this, and there's a little pair of scissors, staple remover, a pencil sharpener. It's really cute. Paper clips, pink paper clips, really nice. And then there's a mini stapler. This is a tape dispenser here, some tape on it, which is really cute. I can use these for little crafts. And then it does come with some staples, which is nice, and an additional roll of tape. I wonder if this stapler has staples in it too. No, it doesn't. Okay, but that's not bad. See? So now I get to do some crafting, a little bit of crafting, and I'm so excited. Okay, that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope it wasn't too boring. I hope you enjoyed it. We saved $42.16. I'm so excited. We have $10, $20, $25.50 of that is going back to the bank. I'll probably put this in our cushion, maybe, so we can have a little extra in our checking account, or maybe in the emergency fund. Joseph, cut that out. $25.50 is going back to the bank, either in our cushion or our emergency fund. If we were still in debt, then I would put this towards the debt. Like, hey, we saved all these coins. But I'm happy about that. So, thank you so much for being here, you guys. Thank you again, Kathy, for this beautiful card and my $2 bill. I just love how generous you are and how kind you are, and I appreciate you so very much. Thanks for being here. Remember to mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives abundantly. Bye for now.